everybody, this is Rob Outdoors for my first video. I'm out here because I'm about to go on another camping trip. I got a tent here. Let's see, Yosemite 2-person tent. I took it out on one of my camping trips and I screwed it up, so I'm here to repair the mesh. So just hang with me until I do this, all right? And for those of you that are curious on, you know, what kind of material I use, let's see. Got this MSR tent fabric repair kit. It's the first time using this, so I'll let you guys know how everything turns out. So just hang with me for a little bit and we'll get this done. Oh, so yeah, I did tell you guys I was a whiskey guy, so yeah, just knocking off the rest of my bottle of Tin Cup, one of my favorite camp whiskeys. I like the shape of it, you know why? Because it fits into my bag really good. And this is really good. I left it out here in my patio so it could stay cold, because it's cold here in the States, PA, you know, Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna be sipping on this while I set up my tent. And while I'm repairing it, I guess. So yeah, let's hang out for a minute. All right, let's check it out real quick. Look at this. Look at this. I don't know how the heck I did that, but substantial. Got some bugs in. I was pretty upset. I had some mosquitoes chewing on my damn face when I woke up in the morning, but you know, it's all good. It's definitely one on the fly too. I got a little bit of space in my patio, but this is where I test out all my equipment. But yeah, this is the hike and bike 2-person tent, big enough for me. I'm definitely taking this on my next camping trip. This is so light, it's nice, easy to set up, nice quick setup. It's not 4 season, but I don't really worry about that because I have gear that'll keep me warm. Yeah, good tent though. All right, so here we go. Here's my fly. I don't have it fully on, but where's that rip? Where's that rip? Here it is. Yeah, I must have been hungry or something. Damn. Yeah, so there's been a lot of reviews on this T-Rex tape. I'm actually going to use this to seal up that hole. We'll see how it works. So, yeah. And see how it turns out after the fact. Oh, yeah. You see that hole right there? Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, come on. Stay down, stay down. Oh. It's sexy time. All right, let's see what this stuff does. Let's see what we got, see what we got. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's see. Never used this stuff before. I never had to worry about holes in my tent before. So yeah. Right there. Oh, come on. I don't have any nails. I bite them off when I get nervous. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the worst. How the hell do you get this damn thing off? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Oh, snap. Finally. I can't believe this stuff is actually made for the mesh, man. This is insane. So basically you're just covering the hole. Come on, almost got it. There we go. Take nearly as long as the first one. So essentially, it's just a friggin' patch. Yo guys, I'm back. So the tent's been taken care of. I know this looks kind of funny, but so I always like to think about fire starting material. I like to use petroleum jelly, egg cartons, paper towels. And I know you're looking at this video like, where the hell is this video going? Where is this guy going with this big tub of Equate petroleum jelly? Because that's what it is. I don't like to spend money on fire material. And when I get out into the woods, when I reach my destination, I like to start my fire without any problems. I don't care if it's raining, I don't care if it's snowing, I don't care if it's windy. This will light, this will hold, no problems. I would never spend money on fire material ever again. I would never take a night hike looking for fire material, trying to start a fire. I will always have fire material ready for me unless it's birch nearby. There's been a few places in PA, Meshaw for one. I haven't seen a lot of birch trees out there. It's a lot of pine. Pine is good. It burns quick, it burns hot, it burns very fast. It doesn't last long, so you need a stockpile on that. But to get the fire started, you know, pine is probably one of the best things next to birch. The tiny twigs roll together, you make a little fir ball, you light it up, boom, done, fire, good. But if you're in a pickle, you need a good fire going, Vaseline bombs, that's my name for them. I really like to create these things. So, I mean, basically what I do, you know, just take apart, you know how to make them. You can get your kid to like make these to keep them entertained. You know, their hands will probably be filled up with like petroleum jelly, but at least you'll have some type of fire start material. So yeah, just do that. Take a nice glob. As you can see, dirty Bobby, dirty Bobby. And just, you know, just fold it up nicely, and, you know, get a little miniature napkin hot pocket going on there, and that's really about it. So honestly, I'm probably going to make a few of these. I'm probably going to just save this for later because I have napkins out here. I'll just like store this in here for the time being. If I can Ziploc bag or something to put them in. And that's about it, you know. Just, you know, I went to Walmart today and I had seen some fire starting material. Duraflame actually makes some fire start material, and I was looking at that and I was debating. I was just like, ah, should I get it? Yeah, I'll make my own. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right now. Good, quick, cheap, effective way to start a fire while you're out in the woods. Doesn't matter if it's wet, you know, a little bit of wind, you know, I mean, I'm not talking about gale force winds, you know, it'll probably blow out if you got that much wind, but for the most part, I lit it on some windy days and it was pretty good. I mean, it got the fire going right away, so it's reliable. Cheers. That is good. So, I had my 10 cup earlier. I just made a switch over to Dogfish Head whiskey. And let me tell you, the first time I had their whiskey, man, I couldn't believe it. I was like, what the hell is this? It almost has like a sweet banana finish. It's so delicious. I'll get the bottle. Give me 1 second. All right, I'm back. To run in and grab it. So yeah, so it comes in a beautiful square bottle, and this next to Woodford Reserve is probably one of my favorite whiskeys, man. It has a really unique taste. It's smooth. It has no roughness to it. It has a very, very, to me, has a kind of banana finish. But it's delicious. So if you guys are in Delaware and you see this, try this out. This is delicious. I highly recommend this, and this will do the job. I'm not sure where I'm going to take on my trip, but we'll see. It might be a Buffalo Trace. It might be Tin Cup. It might be Evan Williams. I like Evan Williams. Or it might be a classic Jack. I don't know. We'll see. I'll leave it in suspense, but I'm going to take something good. Yeah, but other than that, I just wanted to show you guys real quick on how to make some Vaseline bombs, and that's it. You know, just happy trails, happy camping. Get out there, go explore, man. This is Rob Outdoors. I'm out for the night. And one more thing. Cheers.